We're here with another first show on the Neolt Stand. It's the new trimmer. So, Etre, tell us, why does this outstrip the competition?
This is our brand new XY 3.3 meter. It's the ideal solution for cut posters, banners on large size, and we beat the competition thanks to the pneumatic system. The machine is plug and play, doesn't need installation. We deliver all over in the world like this. Compressor already included, pneumatic blade that are self-sharpening. This means that the life of the blade is 4 years. Then we have the automatic alignment, mean that the machine is able to correct if the median is not ready to deliver a perfect cut.
Why did you choose CMYUK to represent you?
CMYUK is the biggest brand for this market in UK. They have a great customer, they sell fantastic machine, so the combination make definitely sense. And then I discovered an incredible and amazing team, technical guys really prepared, and so I'm really happy to be a partner of CMYK because we found the perfect distributor for our machine in the market.
Well, thank you for talking to me. Good luck. I know you're really busy for the rest of the day, so we'll see you soon.
Thank you so much. See you.